Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Lapras from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw an ellipse. Draw a curved vertical line. Connect the circle to the curved vertical line. Draw lower jaw. Draw mouth. Draw eye socket. Draw eye. Draw horn on the forehead. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw an ellipse for the body. Draw neck by connecting head and ellipse which we drew for body. Draw shell on the back. Draw shell on the back. Detail the shell by drawing horns over it. Detail the shell by drawing horns over it. Draw flaps. Draw flaps. Detail the neck. Draw flaps. Draw tail. We drew left ear quite bigger. Let's erase and redraw to correct size. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.